Yesterday, Alex bought groceries with one bag. Today, the same money buys half a bag. Nothing dramatic happened, no alarms. Yet something quietly changed in the background. Alex didn't lose money. His salary didn't drop, but prices climbed anyway. This invisible force affects everyone, every day, without asking permission. This quiet force has a name. People hear it on the news all the time, but few truly understand how it works. That force is inflation. Alex meets Sam for coffee. Same cafe, same cups, but the price on the receipt feels heavier than last month. Sam jokes about prices going crazy. Alex laughs, but inside he's counting. Rent, food, transport. Everything costs more. At the store, the shopkeeper shrugs. Suppliers raised prices, he says. It's not personal, it's just how things are now. Alex notices smaller portions, cheaper materials, fewer options. Inflation doesn't shout, it slowly squeezes. Bills arrive faster than paychecks. Saving feels harder. Planning feels risky. The future feels slightly foggy. Alex wonders if money is the same. Why does life feel more expensive? Imagine a town with 10 apples and 10 people. Everyone can buy one apple. Simple, balanced, calm. Now imagine more money appears, but still only 10 apples exist. People compete harder to buy them. Sellers notice this. They raise prices, not because they're evil, but because demand allows it. The apple didn't change. The money did. Each unit of money now represents less value. Inflation isn't about things becoming expensive, it's about money becoming weaker. Alex realizes his money is quietly losing strength, like a battery slowly draining. Inflation happens when money grows faster than goods, services, or productivity. Sometimes it starts with shortages, sometimes with spending, sometimes with money creation. Once it starts, inflation feeds itself. Higher prices lead to higher wages lead to higher prices. Breaking that loop is hard. Slowing inflation often means slowing the economy. That's why inflation is feared. Not loud, not sudden, but persistent. In real life, governments and central banks manage money supply. When too much enters the system, prices react. They don't aim for zero inflation. Small inflation encourages spending and growth, but too much inflation hurts savers, fixed incomes, and anyone living paycheck to paycheck. That's why interest rates rise, to slow borrowing, to cool spending, to slow inflation. But higher rates also make loans expensive. Homes, cars, businesses feel the pressure. Every choice has a cost. Inflation forces hard trade-offs. Inflation shapes daily decisions: what to buy, what to save, what to delay. Ignoring inflation means falling behind quietly, year after year. Understanding inflation helps people protect their time, effort, and future. Inflation isn't a mystery monster, it's a signal. When you understand it, you stop blaming yourself and start planning smarter.